In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT with no internet access, and more importantly, how to prepare the right way so you can still keep useful answers with you when you go offline. Now, the first thing to understand is this: ChatGPT itself needs an internet connection to work because it's a cloud-based AI tool. That means if you lose connection completely, you won't be able to chat with it live until you're back online. But there is a smart workaround, and that's what this tutorial is all about. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1 is understanding the limitation. ChatGPT runs on the internet, so it can't truly be used offline in the same way as an app installed directly on your device. But you can still use it effectively by preparing before you go offline. That means generating the answers, ideas, drafts, or instructions you need while you still have access. For example, if you know you're going to travel, lose signal, or work somewhere without Wi-Fi, use ChatGPT ahead of time to create everything you might need. You can ask it to write notes, summarize topics, draft emails, create checklists, or explain tasks in detail before you disconnect. Step 2 is saving those answers so you can access them later without internet. The easiest way to do that is to open any conversation you want to keep. Once the chat is open, use your mouse to select the conversation, then right-click and click Print. This opens the print window, and from there you can choose Save as PDF. This is one of the best methods because it stores the conversation in a clean, readable format that you can open anytime, even offline. You can also save important answers in a Notes app, take screenshots, or copy the text into a document for later use. If you want to stay organized, create folders for different topics like work, school, travel, or content ideas, so you can find your saved ChatGPT answers quickly when you need them. Another useful tip is to generate more than just one answer. Before you go offline, ask ChatGPT to give you a summary, a step-by-step version, and a shorter version you can easily review later. That way, even without internet, you already have multiple formats saved and ready to use. You can also print out the conversation as a PDF and keep it in your files. Send it to your phone or store it in cloud storage so it syncs before you disconnect. So while ChatGPT cannot run offline by itself, you can absolutely make it useful offline by preparing in advance and saving the content you need. The key is to plan ahead, generate your answers while connected, and store them in a format like PDF, notes, or screenshots. That way, you'll still have access to your important ChatGPT content even when the internet is gone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.